Adventure doesn't wait, and neither should your protection. Meet the ThinkWare Sports M1 Dash Cam, built for motorcycles, ATVs, and sports vehicles. With dual full HD cameras, electronic image stabilization, and rugged waterproof design, it captures every ride in stunning clarity. Whether it's smooth highways or rough trails, the M1 is your ultimate riding companion. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the ThinkWare Sports M1's front view camera, rear view camera, main unit and remote control, mounts, 2 pieces, 32GB MicroSD card, quick start guide. Want to grab the ThinkWare Sports M1 Motorsport Dash Cam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Front and rear cameras record in crisp 1080 pixels, giving you clear coverage of the road ahead and behind. Perfect for capturing every angle of your ride. Reduces vibrations and minimizes motion blurring to ensure smooth and steady video recordings no matter what terrain you're riding on. Built tough with an IP66 rating, the M1 resists dust and water, making it ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, and all-weather adventures. Connect directly to the ThinkWare app on your smartphone for easy video downloads, settings adjustment, and instant sharing. Logs your routes, speed, and location data for a precise record of every ride. The built-in GPS antenna also provides evidence of your top speeds alongside your video footage. The M1 powers on with your ignition and shuts off when you stop, so recording is effortless. Plus, with the remote button, you can instantly save memorable moments into a dedicated folder. Enhances low-light recording to capture sharp, detailed footage even in the darkest conditions. Sony's StarVis sensor ensures clarity and reduced noise for safer night rides. Specifications? Installation. Before starting, gather all necessary tools, including a circuit tester, fuse puller, and add a fuse taps. Remove the M1 main unit from the box and find space to place it, usually under the passenger seat. Use your fuse panel guide and circuit tester to locate an ACC fuse slot that only has power when the ignition is on. Refer to your vehicle's user manual to help locate the fuse box. Wrap the wire from the main unit around the ACC fuse's metal contacts and reinsert it into the fuse box. Next, find a non-coated screw or bolt to attach the ground wire securely. Once connected, turn on the ignition. If the remote LED lights up, the dash cam is receiving power correctly. Attach the front and rear cameras to chosen locations, leaving enough slack in the cables for routing. Mount the remote in a visible, easily accessible spot for quick control. Finally, neatly hide all the wires along the bike's frame or panels for a clean, secure installation. App connection. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download or install the ThinkWare Cam Link app. Turn on your motorcycle ignition so the M1 powers up. Press the Wi-Fi button on the remote control. The The LED indicator will confirm Wi-Fi is active. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the M1's hotspot. SSID and password are printed on the main unit or manual. Open the app, and you can now adjust settings, view recordings, or transfer videos wirelessly. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your ThinkWare Sports M1 Motorsport Cam. See you in the next one.